Punjas celebrating 90 years.
Kay Vinod Patel.
VTFM, Ekamida,
A very warm welcome and thank you so much for tuning in this morning. We say Yan Vinaka and Aush Palangi show to all the staff of Punjas and Vinod Patel who are maybe going to work, maybe in the bus, tuning in from the bus, inside the bus, maybe inside the van, minivan, a taxi or taxi and a matakango. And to all the mothers, to all the mothers who are tuning this morning, nurturing the young ones, eras dudu chumbeka, mamam chumbeka, sora sili chuka na matang ni kuwa, sora kebe bole na matang ni kuwa. Kere kita berengudira ng balunra. Tapos mo may samu.
Iya. Yan ang bulan nandahan daw ninidira. At the time, we engage ourselves with our young ones. Sometimes, when they grow, we want them to stay on that life. Sabihin ko, sa tumuta kami ko, nakatimungan ito nga, mukha ko ito nga, but life is like a cycle. You are not stand still in a place or a spot.
Right.
You need to grow. So no wonder when you see your son, hey, you grow bigger, son, or your cousin's son, or your daughter from the village. Hey, long time I saw you now. You are grow bigger. But when they show you, you are growing old too.
Right.
That's how cycle. You
like,
don't know the change when you are together. When someone you leave them like a years, then you met each other. You can see a change between them.
See, I want to ask you them one question. Supposed to share with you. Maybe one gaya do biko me kila. Gaya do biko donam mate. Every dams. Ngone papa kina sa papa sa kila lonjiko. Gaya do tali tiko di buda ng baluna. And then to matengo the sickness stops his hormones from growing, and his body from growing.
Sangkay kaliw tu namin ko.
Sanga sangkay tao tu numutumbu, ya numembaki sa tosiko, kakedi ko sakila, sa matua, pepe chunga nang kimuriray.
Ako na matanggalia kay vakasyon na wala lo makinor na lew bulangi. Matin tu kuno ko ya. Niyo kakedi
English.
The life is moving. The mindset is milestone. Sa titi mo na maile. So if my life in that age thinking of something, because my mind is mature. If a girl passing like this and want to kiss my cheeks like this, hey, I'm growing.
No, but that time you don't have a teeth. You can talk. But you can think.
But ko sa nanumbaka sa mga sama tua.
Yeah, I'll do the children's job. And eat the children's food.
Mamam. Suwa-suwa. Dahil sa ini o sa nga. But everything is old.
Everything is old.
The muscles, everything is old. But your
even though he's small, he's a kiddie. But he's a body.
Oh, kuku cake.
Okay, our story this morning is about...
This is a story about a man who always wanting to marry a girl, but inside his very own life, he feel of frightening.
The boy, it's like the boy who was afraid.
Who was afraid. So this fella was amended to go to a village close to his village, like 10-meter walk in the distance between them.
Isa, malo Jacob Serubatu. Yan na ka ratu tau. Pinapalay besar na beding komi, pinapalay na beding pakasar-sartaki. Totok na beding komi na matakari ko. Amay.
And they went. They went and he was like a larkin. Turang larkin. He was like a larkin. He don't want to share his food to the boys because they will know if he give food to the boys, their foundation of stomach can fight against the grog that been given to the boys from there.
Right.
Oh, and like that, food is very little.
He just one tin bull macau.
Oh,
he tin bull macau and one kasapa pets.
Kasama pets.
Kinakakanan din na tapioca and the tin bull macau.
Right.
So he wants to foundation well so that he can go if the boys run away. He will be the one. He will do the
anchor the
stadium, and he will be the one who took the girl if the girl is willing to move.
Right.
That's all right.
So when he was there, the boy was trying his very best to go with the boys, but the boys they leave him. Because itu orang ada ribin ako.
Yeah, right.
Right.
He got a muscle.
Yeah.
He got a beauty.
Yeah.
He got a decorations.
Yeah.
He got
Naiuku.
he got an encyclopedia.
Oh.
And the only thing that absent from his body,
Yeah.
the hormone can keep still there, frightening enough to go alone.
Right.
Oh, isali. Sambat.
So,
Tamatarere.
huh?
Tamatarere.
Yeah.
Serang.
Yeah.
So they go.
Yeah.
They go to the when they look around, they look for the boys.
Yeah.
The boys go.
Yeah.
Wait,
Hey.
penny, belum pinaka
Did you
penny.
see the boy? And they said, "Oh, the boy's already gone."
Yeah.
And the fella start to, cause kami nakata memory.
Yeah.
But this story is about around 9 to 10.
Yeah.
2 weeks ago, one man was passed away on the same road. He
Same
got
spot.
a pass, same spot.
Yeah.
The fella on the left, on the right, in front, backward.
Gome samur to na turbungo.
Yeah.
Sabi reaki.
Betir to na ngonele or mer to lig pototaki.
Kaya ko ngon re.
Yeah.
So he moved. He passed where the fella passed away.
Yeah. Dodge the porthole.
There's a pothole.
Yeah.
Looking on the left, looking on the right, sabato tolo.
Yeah.
Yaba, he was leggy.
Yeah.
So when he leggy saya when he leggy and the place there was a full of pine.
Yeah.
Along the pine. Full of pine there and he move on. He can move on.
It's a piney area.
This place is a piney area and he was leggy. So when he move, he ran downwards, he uphill. Like 5 minutes away from the village.
Yeah.
When in the night, brightness of the light was on direction.
Luka.
Iya, luka. Salon itu mebaya.
Right. Kebal ko sabola kan mono to chicken.
Saboleka.
Yeah.
But before he close to the village, there was one big mango tree was there.
Yeah.
Big mango trees, and the owner of big mango trees, the mother and an infant.
Iya.
Goro tu kina rana bitina ni rau kena baka tawatu.
Oi.
Iya baka rau na tu kuni tu gora buni bile bu tu kena tawatu na buni bile bu.
Iya.
Kena baka tawatu ndono koli.
Right.
Kena baka tawatu rana bitina ni.
Right.
Orang mitina ni gore dor lore ni robi bele kutu toka.
Iya.
Meraida.
Exact tagi nangone.
Tangin ngone. The
Right.
voice of the children coming.
Yeah.
When the children is here.
Yeah.
Because when before he reached Sabuni Mango,
Yeah.
he smelled the smoke.
Oh.
Cigarette, the suki.
Yesuki.
He smelled the spray.
Baka nga mekan tabako tsiya sana.
Iyo.
Boy.
He
Rebak
smelled.
sana.
And the hair of his body start to stand.
Iya.
Goosebump.
Iya.
Sabi kayo goosebump mo ko ya?
Iya.
In front, hey, happy birthday to Tabale Mbeni the Kauni Tambua. Boleh menang Tabale. And now and he go.
Iya.
He look back. He was the girl.
Oi.
He trying to pass that big mango tree.
Lagi.
Legi saya apa mango. Underneath this mango tree, he smell. Tawan din ito. Balik ka na suki tu nang kasengo.
Iya.
Sambuida.
Iya.
Akana sugar na mitina ni go.
He smell the suki sa pati tako kaset. Underneath the mango tree.
Iya.
There was
Abrows to standing.
abros du melaut na matana. Eta mango na kingfish ha. Naman untuk kana ika. And he's standing like that underneath the mango tree, and one branch of the tree fall down.
Yeah.
Nona lutu tu mango na tamban di kaungo.
English kere.
He was falling the branch of the tree and on the spot of his neck. Iyo. Matakan ka the first thing come to his mind. Okay, lawiri. In the branch from top, he hit the head. Now underneath his neck. Kalau ka kamu mo kami papa.
Ato gonna go he smell.
But he nearly reached the village.
As soon as the thing hit here.
Gato tak ya.
As the thing as soon as
Kesta feeling ko ka.
I reach here.
Yeah.
Reach here like this.
Yeah.
Where the face direction move.
Yeah.
The fella move there.
Yeah.
He forgot the brightness of the
village is
of the
just,
torch coming from the village.
Yeah, where the girls are.
Where the girls are.
Yeah.
Kana puno ngai buki kena ulu na where his attention moving.
Iya.
He move.
Lagi-lagi.
Lagi. No lagi. This one run. He ran. Some of the boys. They was in the bus stop. They go, hey, kacau. Kapala jauh biar jabere. Iwala teko move.
Amar jauh kare.
Rona biwatini boro tunon ro wale babiti. Namburi babiti. He ran inside the house. Bosan andra ni makita. Kora kasa mandu Hijau ko bandu ambiritu na taunam. Onda mo tinabi bo. They were sleeping in the new weather.
They were enjoying.
Yeah, they was enjoying because they a new weather. Underneath, in between, underneath them, he was like a crossbar. Makakamuray na mata-mata. Hindi cuma meron ng duro. O kala ka, underneath them, it's like a crossbar. Hey! Babae, nakaramad na lang kumengo. O binakata sa nga na sudo.
Mamemu.
Oya! Binabalik sa Rapunzel sa Hotel. Thank you. Good Friday. Last 2 days for us for biscuits.
Matagatara. Pulma sa sarang liw na temo.
Nabalik Sarah.
Oi, lei que vendo cabeça, só do batu ya.
Iya.
Só do re tu ngel lebu na kaba kaba. Lebu na ken rital no nang kasi mena koro.
Kanita pa wendi.
Garita gor, so rital mo kabintan don tam tang kita do ngavir.
Iya.
So do re pa kan bul makau, so do re pa kan na o se. Ratu ko ipon to. So kala sa no kali le do ya tu mena koro. Le. Re.
Somtanga kasi.
Iya.
Lebun rantu re. Ni rantu rongo ko na retsio ko nilio ko wiri ba ko mendo dina.
Iya.
O siam ko wiri ba ko ngento on retsio
Right.
Ngai dunang kasi mena kore wiri tanga bang ko ngai on mena paso ka India.
Iya.
Ngai wiri tanga kondon. Jena tu tamata malo. Una ba besar siam sukuma ina mata ka binaka ndai
Naka na video tinai now 30 19 28 26.
Oh, malo to.
Na boleh besar na bitokan mata di kuah. Rariki? Rariki?
Iya.
Ada benak Rariki.
Isa.
Binaka lagi.
Tinay steering.
Lena lagi men.
Emmy Sanders, VTFM Vandenberg, near Queensland.
Termabul itu be alumitama.
Iya.
Saya mau teman mata ka binani kuah. Binabalo besar kiran tinggi tagi tu na VTFM. Ilsan ni mbati selen tu na kabitan steri. O jena timbi ui sale. Maritime Day ko, Maritime Day.
Oh,
Maritime Day. Oi. Kasani tara rokotaro ada benaka. Semsar subai fen Kuma Island. Iya. Ada benaka men meludala. Jeta timbi.
Maritime Day.
Oi, ono de eludala anuan.
Mpulisi elu servane ngane kumpulisi. Mana pun lebo Australia saban lebih nakal tiga ya.
Gai like hatta ka seta ka non talai na matabi na ni kuwa. Kito sada bai.
Na boleh besar